Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Moni, and if you are seeing this face for the first time, please click on the subscribe button down below. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate you, and I don't take you guys for granted. So this evening we are taking a walk, and we've been indoors all day. I woke up 10 a.m. this morning. Yes, that's a lake. So I woke up 10 a.m. this morning. Since we got here, we've been overwhelmed with a lot of things. And throughout this week and last week, we were busy attending trainings and interviews. And I hope something positive comes out of all the interviews that we've been doing. I already completed the stages of one, and I was told that they will get back to me soon. So fingers crossed. I pray I get the job before school resumes next month. So we're just taking a walk in our neighborhood, and there's this lake close to our house. It feels so refreshing walking outside. I've missed taking a walk. I was so happy when I saw these pants in my box. So if you are coming to Canada, or you are traveling, or you are relocating, and they tell you that don't travel with your clothes, please go with them, because you will need them. Since we got here now, we've not been able to go and shop for clothes. So please come with your clothes when you are coming to Canada, or when you are relocating to another country. The reason why I said that is because you might not have the time to go shopping. And if you are like me, that does not really, I like shopping online, but for clothes I prefer to see it physically with my eyes. I might buy it online now, and when it gets to me, I won't like it anymore. So I prefer to see it with my own eyes and all that. So yesterday we went to get the kids some clothes, and we've been managing the one, and we've been recycling the one we came with. So I was so happy when I saw these pants in my box. I was so happy. Can you believe that it's almost 9 p.m. and it's still very bright? I really love taking walks because it's so refreshing and soothing, you know. But there are mosquitoes here, or flies. Don't let me say mosquitoes. Let me sit on Jangrova too. Hope this my weight will not spoil it. It's after 9 p.m. at night though, and it's still bright like this. Where is David? Where is it? Say hello. Hello. And David is over there. He's with some kids. I don't want to film them. I'm coming. Oh, now push us. Ooh, no, don't push it high. It's okay like this. Don't let me fall. Let's go home.
going to be the lost.
We are done with our stroll and we are heading back home right now. So we are back. Just found my tripod. So we are going out again. I want to go and get air freshener for my house. I love houses that smells fresh and nice. So we are going out now to get air freshener for the house. My face is always looking dull these days. Don't mind me, I just woke up again. I need to go right now. My husband and my kids are waiting for me in the car already. So catch you guys later. So these are all the things I got from the store. There's another one that I left in the garage downstairs. So I already used this before. This is my second bottle, and luckily for me, when I got there, it was the last bottle on the shelf. So these ones are for the restroom. I thought this one was snuggle. I was trying to pick two and I did not check the name. So these ones are for the restroom. This one is also for the bathroom. They all smell amazing. And this one is for the washing machine, for the laundry. And that one, you already saw it in my last video. And this is a body spray. I also got this plates. I already bought this last time I went to that store. So I decided to buy 2 more. I have it already before. Can you see? This is the other one I bought since I think a week after we got here. We bought this one. So we bought 2 more extra. So we are ready to move. I forgot to show you what I look like, but I will show you when I get there. This house is pretty. Unfortunately, I can't show you because it's someone else's house. Hobby's friend. They are both outside right now, catching up. So I'm just here all by myself. The kids have also gone downstairs with their friends. So I'm here alone.
Head, shoulders, knee, waist, toe, ankle, toe, knee, waist. Neck. Stand up. Shoulder. No, you're going back.
Both of you should come.
Put coin inside. Me.
And their cardigan.
Who you want to? Sonic.
Because they drew Sonic on it.
I want it. Okay, so this one cannot size. Which one can size me? Is this one that can size me? No.
You're skinny.
No, look at
You
me.
can't even size it. You're skinny.
No, I'm slim.
You're skinny. Can you see?
David size.
It's not David size.
I'm taking Sonic clothes. I'm taking this one.
I don't know. So we just got back from the store now, and I just want to show you things that we got. I'm not going to be showing you one by one, but I will show you everything. This is all we got for the kids, and everything cost about $170. This is the receipt. I wonder why the receipt is so long. How many things did you buy? So this is the receipt. I'm going to go and put it in my receipt box. So they're just basic, normal basic clothes that they can wear. We didn't get anything from Old Navy because I didn't like the way their clothes were looking, especially because we wanted to get them normal t-shirts, and the t-shirts, everything was just, it didn't have fitting on their body. So we decided to try out another store, and we got some things there. We got exactly the same thing but in different sizes. So this is for my 5-year-old. Exactly the same thing. Even the top, I think just about 2 of it is different. Can you see? Same thing. Same thing. But in different sizes. So, and for this one, we didn't get the smaller size. So we bought another type for him. But every other thing there is the same thing. So that's that about it. I just wanted to show you my credit card and my PR card. My PR card just came in today. As we're coming now, we checked our box and we found it there. So I just opened it now, and a PR card. I wasn't expecting this. Actually, I wasn't expecting this because a lot of people told me that theirs took about 2 months, but we are not even up to a month in Canada and we've already received our PR card. So, and the other day too, we got approval for our bus tickets. So we've gone to pick that up, I think yesterday, no, 2 days ago, on my way back from my interview. So I'm going to pick that up from there. And this is my credit card. I just opened it now. I didn't open it. I got it since last week, but I didn't open it because I wasn't ready to use it. Even right now, I'm not ready to use it till I start earning money. Then I can now start building up my credit units. But right now, I need to intensify my job search. So that's that about it. I just thought to show you what I've been up to today. So I intend to enjoy this summer to the fullest. Last week Saturday I went for a get-together party, let's be friends party, but I couldn't film because number one, I got there late, and number two, I couldn't stay for long.